how can you hide a single chat into WhatsApp? So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to hide a chat into WhatsApp, you just simply have to open your WhatsApp application. And after opening the WhatsApp application, you will get to see all of your chats which is visible in here. Then, if you would like to hide any of the chats, WhatsApp doesn't provide a direct option to hide your chats or lock your chats, but if you'd like to hide it from here, from the direct chat section, you'll just simply have to tap for a while into the chat which you would like to hide, and then this archive option will appear. Just simply tap into this button and then your chat will be hidden inside this archive. This way you can easily hide any of your chat from your WhatsApp chat section. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, thumbs up this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.